In today's digital age, becoming a full-time content creator is more attainable than ever. With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and podcasts growing rapidly, there is a vast array of opportunities waiting for those ready to dive in. But how do you transition from a casual content creator to a full-time content mogul? Now, let's break it down into 5 actionable steps.
Like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new on this channel, I am Egwen, your visual content creator guide. I get a lot of questions. How do I start my content creation journey? Or how do I become a full-time content creator? So today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: how to become a full-time content creator in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your hobby to the next level, I've got 5 actionable steps to help you grow your content creation business. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first step will be finding your niche. This is the foundation of your content creation journey. Think about what you're truly passionate about. Is it travel, tech, beauty, gaming, or maybe food? Your niche should align with your interest and strength, because you'll be spending a lot of time creating content around this topic. Start by identifying your passion and strength. Ask yourself, what could we talk about endlessly? Once you have few ideas, it's time to do some research. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and social media insights to see what topics are trending. This helps you understand the market demands for your niche. Next, evaluate your competitors. Look at what other creators in your niche are doing. What kind of content do they produce? This analysis will give you valuable insights and help you find gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique perspective. Step 2 will be building your brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from other creators. It's how your audience will recognize and relate to you. Start by creating a unique brand identity. This includes your mission, values, and a unique selling proposition. You have to design a logo, choose a color scheme, and establish a visual style that's consistent across all your platforms. And next, craft your brand voice. How do you want to communicate with your audience? Are you friendly and conversational, or more formal and authoritative? Your tone should reflect your personality and, more importantly, resonate with your target audience. Step 3, you will have to develop a content strategy by setting clear goals and objectives. This could be you reaching a certain number of followers, engagement rate, or even monetization target. Plan your content calendar in advance, but stay flexible to adapt to trending topics and audience feedback. Next will be you investing in quality equipment and tools. This doesn't mean you need the most expensive gears, but good quality content often require a decent camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software. Quality content attracts and retains viewers. Step 4 is all about growing your audience. Now, this is where the magic happens. Leveraging social media platform to reach a wider audience. Each platform has its own strength and user behavior. So, tailor your content accordingly. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and creating interactive content like polls and Q&A. You will have to consider collaborating with other creators. Collaborations are fantastic ways to grow your audience. Partner with other creators in your niche or complementary niche. This can introduce your content to new viewers and provide fresh perspective. Utilize SEO and analytic tools to ensure your content is discoverable. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Track your performance with analytic tools to understand your audience better and refine your strategy. Finally, step 5. Now, this is where you start turning your passion into a sustainable business. Explore different revenue streams. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn commission by promoting products or services that align with your niche. Sponsored content is another significant source of income if you have a large and engaging audience. You can also sell your own products or services like ebooks, merchandise, courses, or consulting service. This not only provides income but also strengthens your brand authority. There you have it. 5 steps to becoming a full-time content creator in 2024. Remember, this journey requires passion, strategy, and persistence. By finding your niche, building your brand, planning and producing quality content, growing your content and monetizing your effort, you will be on your way to creating a sustainable content creation business. If you found this video helpful, please do well to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Drop a comment below with any question or tips you have about content creation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.